Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you often feel pain in your body, in your arms, legs, or even in your back, and you already have thyroid problems, then today's video is just for you. Because today we're going to talk about why thyroid causes body pain, how you can prevent it, and some simple natural remedies that can really help. Let's get started. Why thyroid causes body pain? When you have a thyroid problem, it means your body's TSH, T3, and T4 hormones are not balanced, and these hormones play a very big role in your metabolism and muscle health. Now here's the key point. Your muscles are mainly made up of proteins and healthy fats. But in hypothyroidism, your T3 hormone level drops, and when that happens, your body can't properly absorb protein into the muscles. If protein doesn't reach your muscles, they become weak and smaller. This is called muscle atrophy. And when the muscles become weak and shrink, that's when you start feeling pain, stiffness, and fatigue. This condition is often referred to as thyroid myopathy, basically muscle pain caused by thyroid imbalance. So, the root cause of your body pain is not just the thyroid itself. It's the lack of protein absorption and slow metabolism due to low T3. What you can do? Natural remedies that work. Let's now talk about what you can actually do to reduce this pain and support your thyroid naturally. 1. Add chia seeds to your diet. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of protein, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, all essential for healthy muscles and thyroid balance. They also help flush out toxins and waste that often build up due to a slow metabolism. Here's how you can use them. Take a glass of water and add about 30 grams of chia seeds. Soak them for 2 to 3 hours, or overnight if you prefer. In the morning, drink this water. You can even add a few drops of lemon juice for extra benefits. If you do this daily for 3 to 4 months, you'll notice better energy, less pain, and overall improvement in muscle health. But remember, always check with your nutritionist before starting, especially if you have allergies. 2. Include nuts, pulses, and legumes. If you're vegetarian, this part is super important. Nuts, pulses, and legumes are great sources of plant-based protein. They help rebuild your muscle strength and improve metabolism without adding extra fat. Try to include almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, lentils and chickpeas, rajma, kidney beans, black gram, and soybeans. These foods not only support your muscles, but also help stabilize your thyroid levels naturally. Final tips for thyroid care. Stay hydrated. It helps flush out toxins. Sleep well. Your hormones balance best when you rest. Practice light exercise or yoga to boost blood circulation. Avoid excessive sugar and junk food, as they slow down metabolism even more. And yes, natural remedies like coriander water and apple cider vinegar can also help regulate thyroid hormones. We'll cover that in our upcoming videos. So, if you're dealing with thyroid pain or muscle weakness, don't worry. With a few lifestyle changes and natural remedies like chia seeds and protein-rich foods, you can start feeling stronger again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more simple and natural health tips. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay balanced.